Nabibili ko lang the other day. And yeah. So let's start off a haul. So I got I got the air blush. And then I got the lipstick. So Mood and 143. How do you do this? Like that. Okay. Air blush. Okay, so this is my makeup bag. Liit lang kasi very basic. This one is for my I even call this like the sponge. And then I have the silicone one. This one. So usually I use this for the blush on. And then this one for the BB cream. Kasi may ate gave me one from Shiseido's. Maganda siya. Ito I have. So ito yan. Ito yung galing sa sister ko. Oh, so white. Okay. Shiseido Integrate Gracie Essence Base BB Cream. So, hindi kasi talaga ako ma-makeup. Yung mom ko kasi hindi siya mahilig in the first place. So, more on natural. Basic lang. Blush on. Dati mascara, hindi na. Lipstick, lately lang yan. Ganun lang. Pag lalabas, onting eyeshadow. So, yun. So, medyo wala rin ako gaano alam sa makeup. Parang lately, nung nag-30s ako doon na medyo na-discover iba. And then I have this colorette. It's a lip primer. Kasi wala na mabili ng NYX. So, I put it before else. Ito yung Sunnies. So, I think this one is milkshake. Ito, luma na ko na. Ito yung una kong binili. And it's so nice. As in, ito yung favorite ko. Medyo malapit-lapit siya tulad. Ito yung gamit ko earlier. I think meron pa onte. A little bit. Okay. I have my cousin gave me this one. Girl, keep forgetting to do this thing. It's like this one. So, ano lang. Natawa lang ako because parang pambata. Older cousin. So, yan. Not even sure if I'm gonna use it tonight. Okay. Saan yung isa ng lipstick? Here. Okay, so this one is also Sunnies Face. And it's 143. Parang nagkamali yata ako. 143. So ito siya. That darker shade. Parang medyo brown. Normally ito yung airbrush. So ito yung bago ni Sunnies Face. Yan. Magkasya sa frame because wala akong tripod, anything else. Okay, so when you open it, it's like this. Medyo nabawasan ko na siya. So kaya talaga ako marunong mag-ganyan. But anyway. So normally, everyday, I use this lang. Lipstick. This one. This moisturizer. But for tonight, since having drinks after dinner most likely, I'm going to use this. Okay. And what else? Yeah, basically that's it. Okay, so let's start and do this sort of evening night out staycation sa B Hotel. So yeah, let's see. Napansin ko when I turned 30 plus. Ano siya, medyo mas nagkakaroon ako ng breakouts or whiteheads, blackheads. So, parang, I guess, mas proper skincare. Because sa akin, the more that I wash my face, lalo thrice a day or twice. Lalo nag-breakout. I don't even use yung mga um, ano to? Mga facial wash. Minsan body soap ko lang. Then I'm good. I brush my face habang niligo. And then moisturizer, clinic. Pero minsan hindi pa. So, depende. Yeah, so normal days, I use moisturizer, clinic one. That works best for me. Kahit medyo expensive. Well, hindi medyo expensive pala. So, yeah. What's next? Okay, unahin natin si eyeshadow. Oh, I forgot. Hindi ko dala yung brush. Oops, sorry. Well, I guess I'll have to use my fingers. Let's just wipe it up a little bit. Yeah, normally I use this one, gel, silicone gel. Maganda siya sa blush on. Meron ko sa isang blush on na parang ganito pero tube. Tapos hindi siya ganun ka-creamy. So, madaling mag-blend using that. But, pag nagmamadali ako, I just use my finger na lang din. Or ito. Kaya medyo may color na ng pink, like that, inside. Lalo pa nagbibiyahe ako. Okay. So, for the lipstick, I use this one for yung daytime earlier. Or probably tomorrow during lunch. So, right now, I'm gonna be using this na lang. This one, it's darker. Para mas visible. Just want to feel nice tonight. I haven't been, my life is crazy lately. So, alam mo yun, just want to feel better, mas presentable, and nasa hotel, tatanggal yung aking. So, yeah. Anyway. Here is a primer. Although lang ko, tatanggal din to sa pagkain. It's nice to have one. At least mas kapit yung lipstick. And this one, okay, 143 ng Sunniees Face. Iba. Yeah. So, yan. Darker siya. tonight. Hope to have a good dinner. It's a B hotel and hope to have good food and drinks. Although medyo full pa ako kasi kanina before I came here, kumain kami ng mom ko. There is this really nice new cafe sa West Ave lang. I wanted to spend time with her. Yun. Anyway, bye guys. See ya.